Today, we live in a connected world, surrounded with a wide range of devices that are smart and connected. Thanks to the integration and communication technology, the communication between people and machine, or machine and machine, become more integrated. At the heart of mobile connectivity is cellular module. Quectel deployed smart IoT solutions from transport to payment to energy to industry to smart city to agriculture and beyond. Quectel are connecting devices, cities, and people worldwide, improving efficiencies and ultimately creating better experiences for human beings. When you are driving on the road, Quectel module built in the car can communicate with back-end cloud timely. Information sharing extends your horizon and makes your driving safer. Mobile POS, vending machine, and other financial terminals also have Quectel modules inside, which bring the human being convenient and instantaneous payment experience. Quectel focuses on innovation based on the marketing requirements. Quectel smart grid solutions enable operational efficiencies and provide real-time visibility into consumption. And billing data helps consumers to conserve resources, while energy and utility companies are better able to balance production to meet actual demand. The reliable, efficient, and green grid is achieved effectively with the help of M2M technologies. When the order is received, Quectel M2M module enables ubiquitous surveillance on the status of products, including raw materials collection, manufacturing, transportation, storage, sale of products, and after-sales services. Each link in the supply chain has Quectel module inside. Quectel modules are also used in security, healthcare, manufacturing, environmental monitoring, and many other applications. Quectel is developing the ubiquitous IoT platform based on M2M technology. Quectel, as an enabler of information age, is committed to building a smarter world. Success in this world is only happened by focusing. Quectel has established Shanghai and Hefei R&D Center, opened 21 sales offices worldwide, and is serving more than 2,000 customers globally. Quectel stands behind its promise to provide customers with high-quality products and excellent service. Quectel's own automatic manufacturing line and rigorous hardware and software tests ensure the high quality of each module. And comprehensive product portfolio, strong R&D capability, and matchless support service establish Quectel as a reliable and trusted provider of wireless modules since its establishment. Today, tens of millions of IoT devices have Quectel modules inside. In the future, Quectel's IoT cloud-centric M2M services will enable end-to-end service provisioning for businesses and users to access applications on demand from anywhere. The world will become highly connected, driven by IoT, and collaboration will become indispensable for business. Quectel looks forward to working closely with all partners to build a smarter world. Join us to build a smarter world.